Morning. So I'm gonna do one of these short videos I was talking about. I picked up this load yesterday in Burley, Idaho. It's going down to Nacogdoches, Texas, and about 22,000 pounds. Didn't load it very well, and I did a scale ticket on it, and it's like 24,000 pounds on the tandems out back, and it's like 19,000 pounds on the drive. When you do that, it really eats up your fuel economy. So I have to change it. I have figured out how to change it, but I want to show you guys a trick that I use. Okay, here's my trick. So I went back to the back already and measured how far the tandems need to go back. I need to move about 3,000 pounds towards the rear or towards the front. So I need to move the tandems about 3.5 feet. So it's 250 pounds for every 4 inches, if I remember correctly. So I measured it, went back there and measured out 3.5 feet. Now, going back and forth from here to there, to here, to there, and trying to see if you got it right is a pain in the ass. So I came up with this measurement system. So, remember these little doohickeys? You get them all the time in trucking if you do drive-in or reefer. So, instead of throwing these on the ground, I decided I'd use them as a measurement. So I can't get 3.5 feet here on my footstool or on my footstep. So what I've done is measured 18 inches from here to here, where this one is. And then I use this, I use the old seal as a marker for how far to go. So what I'll do is I'll look out the door, I'll move it forward with my door open. I'll look out the door, I'll line up this with a spot on the ground. So say, see there's like a little rock or something on the ground I could recognize. And I'll move the truck forward until that rock lines up with this one. And then I'll do that again. And then I'll do it again for 6 inches, which I'll use this one to mark here in a minute. And that will give me my proper spacing out there, so my weight's distributed properly. So, that's how I do it. Thanks for watching.